I've had these plants for months, but they still haven't grown any flowers. I don't get it.
Trong đoạn hội thoại mà bạn sắp nghe, một người thắc mắc vì sao cây kiểng họ trồng không chịu ra hoa. Hãy tập trung nghe đoạn hội thoại và trả lời câu hỏi trên màn hình.
Hey Jake, can I ask you something?
Sure, what's on your mind?
I've had these plants for months, but they still haven't grown any flowers. I don't get it.
That's strange. Are you sure they're flowering plants?
Yeah, they're supposed to bloom in spring, but nothing's happening.
How often do you water them?
Every day. Maybe they need more?
Actually, overwatering might be the problem. Some plants only need water a few times a week.
Oh no, I didn't think of that.
Also, are they getting enough sunlight? Some plants need a lot of it to grow flowers.
They're near the window, but maybe it's not sunny enough.
Try moving them to a sunnier spot and cutting back on the water. They might just need the right conditions.
Thanks, Jake. I'll give that a try. Fingers crossed I see some flowers soon.
Let me know how it goes.
Vậy là hết đoạn hội thoại. Nếu muốn, bạn có thể quay lại đầu video để nghe thêm một lần nữa. Bạn thấy câu này dễ hay khó? Nói mình nghe trong phần bình luận bên dưới nhé.